Hi everyone, welcome back to Guido. Today we will show you how to replace the front and rear cameras on the Samsung Galaxy A20 mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cursor on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. While removing the back cover, be gentle. The fingerprint button has attached to the back cover. Hold the fingerprint button and pull out the back cover gently. Take out the back cover and then pull out the fingerprint button flex by disconnecting the plug. Next, take out the mid frame by undoing 12 screws. Before that, make sure the SIM tray is out. And then, using a plastic car pry tool, create an opening to separate the back car frame. Be gentle and work around the edges to disengage the plastic clips. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, disconnect and take out the broken front camera from the logic board. Next, gently flip the board from the top and then disconnect both rear camera connectors from the logic board. Next, slightly push the back camera module from the front side of the logic board. And now you can take out the broken rear camera module from the logic board. Next, place the rear camera module by connecting both plugs. Next, secure the logic board. Next, place the new front camera on the logic board. Next, secure the battery plug. And then place the mid frame in the body by securing 12 screws. Ensure the clips are fastened before inserting screws. Next, secure the fingerprint button flex. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the rear car with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.